Today, I want to show you something that looks like scrap metal at first glance. But these parts actually came from a Toyota Hilux 1KD engine, an engine famous for being strong and reliable. So the big question is, how does an engine with such a good reputation end up in this condition? The short answer is bad maintenance and careless repair work. Let's find out where the failure started. This is the oil pump, the heart of the engine. If oil stops flowing, the engine cannot survive. As you can see, the oil pump is completely destroyed. The housing is broken into pieces, and the internal gear is badly damaged. This fits into this section here. But the problem is, this thing is almost broken into pieces. You can see the other half here. You never want to see this section like this. This gear is made of strong metal, but it is bent, and the teeth are worn away. It's totally eaten away. That should never happen. It tells us the oil pump was working without enough oil, or sometimes with no oil at all. The housing is almost broken and missing pieces are here. When we look closely inside the housing, we see black, burned oil stuck here. That means the oil overheated. It turned into carbon, but other areas are still clean. This usually means the engine ran with low oil level. Or the oil pump couldn't get oil because something was blocking the flow. This black color shouldn't be here. Where the oil pump works, it just sticks. Changing level to the other housing. It's part of this section. There is a crack here. The bend caused this crack. So the engine cracks into parts. And here is a very common mistake. Don't use this kind of sealant excessively. This snack-looking stuff might kill your engine. It's all over the engine. This shouldn't be here. There should be a proper seal or rubber gasket, not this excess silicone. When silicone is squeezed too much, it breaks off. These pieces can get into your engine and block oil passages. This is the oil filter. You can clearly see debris stuck in it. These little pieces are clearly glue silicone residues. They get blocked straight into the oil pump. Once the filter is clogged, everything gets blocked. These are mistakes. Don't ever let your mechanic do this. You don't have to use this much sealant. This is the beginning of the story. The first reason for failure is the housing we discussed earlier. Now I'll show you the bearings. I just got them from the engine. Normally, a bearing should look smooth and clean. Like this, maybe a little wear is okay.
And this thing has a little damage over here.
But ultimately, in this engine, you are left with this dot. It's chewed up like bubblegum. It's completely taken away. Bearings are the first parts to get damaged without oil. Look at these pieces. They just slip into each other. They are crushed and torn apart. This is one of the main bearings. They are completely worn out, not vegan. It should look smooth, but now it doesn't flow correctly. This causes knocking and rattling noises. Now the pistons. This thing is seized. You can't take it out. You can't use this piston anymore. It was metal grinding against metal. Even the wheels and gears are damaged. This one is also eaten away on one side. It got extremely hot because it ran for a long time without oil. This gear used for timing, you can see it clearly. It has damage inside the teeth. Damage is in solid condition as well. Now the camshaft, not camera. Do you see this? These are oil residues and crust. If oil works properly, there won't be residue like this. This means extreme heat burned oil. The camshaft itself has so much damage. And the crankshaft, you can see tons of damage here. The section is totally gone. It's totally gone. You can't use it anymore. The surfaces should be smooth like a mirror. All these parts need to go into the trash. Throw it away. Another mistake. The thermostat housing. They removed the internal part. This doesn't regulate temperature anymore. So the engine runs too hot. The cylinder walls are heavily damaged, the third one and the fourth one. The balance shafts are also seized. The damage reached every major system. This engine failed because oil flow was interrupted and repairs were done incorrectly. It's done. Good engines don't survive bad maintenance. Don't try to save money the wrong way.